the students of class 7. Today we shall study the chapter 2b. In this chapter we shall study the story of a emperor who belonged to China. The emperor was alone. He had no any children. He was very worried about by thinking it that who would be the future coming emperor of his kingdom. So one day in his court he announced that he was going to search out a suitable child to announce his hire, to announce his coming emperor in his place for future. Many children reached in his court to meet the emperor. Though all children were very intelligent, laborious, they all had several types of good abilities, good qualities. There was also a child, a boy whose name was Liang. He was very intelligent. He had come to meet the emperor also to prove his ability. After meeting all the children, the emperor gave all the children a seed for all of them and ordered all the children to return back to their houses and to plant the seed in a pot and to return back after passing 1 year on the fixed date with the plant. Whose plant will be in better condition, the king would be rewarded him, or the king would announce him the coming emperor of his kingdom. 1 year passed very easily and very rapidly. Liang also returned back. During this period, the plants of every children grew. They sprouted and they grew in very green plant. Some were creeper plants, some were bushy plants, and some were flower plants. But the seed of Liang does not grow up. Liang every day watered the seed, but the seed did not sprout and it did not give the birth of any plant. It was quite lifeless. In this condition, 1 year passed, and after passing 1 year, all children appeared, all children reached, all children returned back to the king's court with their green plants, with their flower pots, with their creeper plants in the court of the emperor to sow the plants. Liang also went there. He was also with his empty pot there. Children were very curious. They were very excited that who would be announced as the king of the kingdom. The emperor came close to all children and looked after and watched the plants of every children. At last, he went near Liang and he saw, where is your pot and where is your seed? Where is your? Well, I have no pot, I have no seed. My seed that did not grow. What is the cause? Because I don't know about it. The Liang was very disappointed. So he was standing in the corner of the hall. At last the king announced that, my dear children, the seeds which I had given all of you, that was boiled seed which had no any power to grow in the soil. But your plants had already been had been grown. So it proves that in your houses you have already changed the seeds, and this boy whose name is Liang, whose plant has not grown, it means he had not changed the seed. He is very honest boy, and he did what I had said to him actually in the right way. So in this condition, you all were failure, and the boy Liang, I am going to announce him my representative of this state. In coming time, in future, he will be take my position as the emperor of this country. My dear, so children, this story tells us a message that we must not cheat anybody. We must not do any action which can be harmful for our coming time. That's all. Have a nice for all of you.